Hi guys, if you want to buy this NexiGo Nova Mini Bundle portable laser projector with Google TV and Netflix, then please visit the link provided in the description. If you've been searching for a projector that delivers a true big screen experience without taking up much space, the NexiGo Nova Mini Bundle deserves your attention. It combines modern laser projection technology with smart entertainment features in a compact design, making it a practical choice for everything from movie nights to gaming sessions and everyday streaming. The first thing you'll appreciate is how portable it is. The compact body makes it easy to carry between rooms or pack for outdoor entertainment, while the solid construction gives it a premium feel. Instead of requiring a permanent installation, this projector is designed to fit naturally into your lifestyle, allowing you to enjoy a large display almost anywhere. At the heart of the Nova Mini is a laser light source that provides consistent performance over thousands of hours. Compared with traditional lamp-based projectors, laser technology offers stable brightness, more accurate colors, and less maintenance over time. It also helps maintain image quality throughout the projector's lifespan, making it a dependable choice for long-term use. Picture quality is one of the strongest reasons to consider this projector. With a native full HD 1080p resolution, images appear crisp, detailed, and vibrant. Whether you're streaming your favorite series, watching live sports, or enjoying blockbuster movies, the level of clarity helps every scene look clean and immersive. Fine details remain visible, while colors appear natural without looking overly saturated. The projector produces up to 1,200 lumens of brightness, making it capable of delivering an enjoyable viewing experience in a variety of environments. While darker rooms naturally provide the most impressive results, moderate indoor lighting still allows the projector to produce a bright and comfortable image for everyday viewing. Its impressive 15:0:0:0:1 contrast ratio adds another layer of realism by creating deeper blacks and brighter highlights. The improved contrast enhances depth across every frame, making action scenes more dramatic, landscapes more lifelike, and darker sequences easier to appreciate without losing important details. Another major advantage is the built-in Google TV operating system. Rather than connecting additional streaming hardware, everything you need is already integrated into the projector. Popular streaming services including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and many other applications are available immediately after setup. The interface is intuitive, navigation feels smooth, and discovering new content is simple. Setting up the projector couldn't be much easier. Intelligent autofocus quickly sharpens the image, while automatic keystone correction adjusts the picture whenever the projector is placed slightly off-center. Screen alignment features further simplify installation, allowing you to start watching within minutes instead of spending time making manual adjustments. One of the biggest attractions is its ability to project images up to 150 inches. Watching content on a display this large creates an immersive atmosphere that's difficult to achieve with conventional televisions. Movies become more cinematic, sporting events feel more exciting, and even casual YouTube videos become far more enjoyable on such a massive screen. For gamers, the large display creates an entirely different level of immersion. Open-world adventures feel expansive, racing games become more thrilling, and multiplayer sessions gain extra excitement thanks to the impressive screen size and sharp full HD image quality. The built-in audio system also performs better than many portable projectors in this category. Dual 8-watt speakers enhanced with Dolby audio deliver clear voices, balanced sound effects, and satisfying overall performance. While external speakers can certainly provide additional power, the integrated system is more than capable for everyday entertainment. A unique addition included with this bundle is native 3D support along with 2 pairs of DLP-Link 3D glasses. If you enjoy compatible 3D movies or content, everything you need is already included, allowing you to experience another dimension of entertainment immediately. Connectivity options ensure compatibility with a wide range of devices. Gaming consoles, laptops, Blu-ray players, streaming accessories, and USB storage devices can all be connected easily. Wireless screencasting also allows supported smartphones and tablets to share videos, presentations, and photos directly on the large display without unnecessary cables. The cooling system has also been designed to keep operating noise relatively low, helping maintain a quieter environment during movie nights. Less fan noise means dialogue remains easier to hear, allowing the entertainment itself to remain the center of attention. Overall, the NexiGo Nova Mini Bundle successfully blends portability, premium laser projection, full HD resolution, intelligent automatic setup, official Google TV with Netflix support, Dolby audio, native 3D capability, and a massive display into one versatile entertainment solution. Whether you're upgrading your home theater, creating an outdoor cinema, streaming your favorite content, or enjoying immersive gaming on a huge screen, this projector delivers an impressive balance of convenience, performance, and modern technology that makes it a compelling option for a wide range of users.